Alright, today I'm going to be unboxing my D'Addario Eclipse Tuner, which I'll be using to tune my ukulele. This is a quick, accurate tuning, full color display with limitless viewing angles. Relatively small. I'm going to be opening it up in just a minute, but first we're going to take a look on the back and see what it says. It says full color display. Of course, this is not in color right here. If you can see, that's not in color. Calibration buttons. Press either the arrow to adjust the tuner calibration from 430 to 450 hertz. You can see these arrows, one pointing down, the other one pointing upwards. And then in the middle, there is a power button. And the power button, to use it, you press to toggle the tuner on and off. Okay, turn the tuner on and off. The tuner automatically powers off within 10 minutes to save battery life. Nice to know. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this. I'm going to go ahead and take this and take a look at it before I put it on the ukulele and I tune. I'm going to just take a look at this really quick. So here it is right here. So this is the panel right here. I think there's something sticky on my finger. I don't know. I think it's a sticker of some sort, maybe. All right, so I took that off. And D'Addario, and it shows you what it's going to look like right here. The red right there, too hot, and then this right here, low. And when it gets in the middle, it is tuned. But this is just a sticker. This is not the main screen. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and peel this off, and we're going to get to the regular screen, the normal screen. So I'm going to peel this off. And here is the D'Addario screen. The clip right here, and has some foam in here. That's just a placeholder, and you put this on to your guitar or whatever you need to have tune. In my case, a ukulele. And it's rubber tipped right here, so it won't damage the wood or the ukulele in general when I'm putting it on it to tune it. So here it is right here, and of course it will not turn on, and you're probably wondering why it's not turning on. Well, first you have to remove this strip right here, which will allow the battery to contact what it needs to contact in order to turn it on. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this, and it doesn't pull off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the back, and then I'm going to actually remove this because it didn't slide out. And then I'm going to go ahead and place the battery back on, and then slide the cap back into place so we can get to operating with this. So I have that there. It's nice and swivelly, so you can move this and adjust this to your instrument. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. So I pressed it, and the power turns on. Of course, you can see it from different angles, the D'Addario, and it's listening for a tune. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and attach this to my ukulele. All right, so I have my ukulele, and I'm going to attach this to the ukulele in order to tune it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this, and I'm going to attach it using the clip at the end right here. And what's nice about this, it has a swiveling action right here, so you can actually see it from multiple angles. And then it's currently on. Like I said, it takes 10 minutes for it to turn off automatically if I don't press this button like that. And you see it just turned off just like that. Now, let me go ahead and toggle back on. And it turns back on. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to go ahead. Guess I didn't turn it on. Let's try it again. So now it's on. So here it is. So here's it. It's text and FE. You can make adjustments to hit it spot on. So it's recording in F right there. Then that's a B, an E, and a G, which some of these are all off, but you can make adjustments by looking at that. And then making adjustments until it gets right in center. So it's going in between E and F. And you just make adjustments until you get right where it needs to be, like right in the center. I'm going to go to a different chord. And you can see, as you get up higher and you get closer to where it's supposed to be, you'll see that. It'll be directly in center right there. You see that? So I got that to C. And so you pretty much adjust it, and once you see that it gets the blue lines, 2 solid blue lines with the letter in between, that's when it's tuned towards that note. So that's the D'Addario Eclipse Tuner. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.